India is determined to protect its sovereignty and territorial integrity in the face of unilateralism and aggression. This is what Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said today as the standoff with China in eastern Ladakh enters its 7th month. The Defence Minister also said that India attaches importance to peaceful resolution of differences through dialogue and is committed to respect various agreements that were inked for the maintenance of peace along the borders.
We have undertaken a three-pronged approach towards internal security challenges as well. This includes development of areas affected by terrorism along with the provision of justice to the aggrieved. It also includes the ability and desire to go more than halfway to negotiate settlements with dissatisfied groups to enable a political settlement. And finally, we are also willing to challenge a status quo. If the status quo becomes a tool for the exploitation of helpless citizens and the provisions of governance. Recently, India has been facing other challenges on its borders. India is a peace-loving country. We believe that differences should not become disputes. We attach importance to the peaceful resolution of differences through dialogue. We are committed to respect for various agreements and protocols that India has entered into for the maintenance of peace and tranquility on our borders. However, India is determined to protect its sovereignty and territorial integrity in the face of unilateralism and aggression, no matter what the sacrifice. India has fostered close relationship and partnership with like-minded friends to further the common interests of countries in the region and beyond. Our strategic partnership with the US is stronger than ever before. Similarly, India's friendship has grown tremendously with Japan over the last few years as well. The India-Australia Virtual Summit in June 2020 has provided a fillip to our already strong comprehensive strategic partnership. We share common concerns with Australia and shared values. India also has a strong traditional and deep-rooted relations with Russia. We continue to build upon our relationship with Russia and especially in the military sphere. India has also forged a very special partnership with the reliable friends like France and Israel. We value their support and will continue to build upon it in the future as well.